why purely online training is not good enough. We are now blending at the Coach Business School both online training and in-person live training. And the reason that is because most of our training traditionally was done online, but many of my one-to-one clients were in person. And I realized there was a space for us to learn the art, because it's a different art, in training and coaching people in person, as well as exploring all the incredible benefits of online coaching, both of which are incredible. But I felt the industry as a whole has missed out on this important core component of coaching, which is in-person coaching as well as online coaching. They tend to do either one or the other. We want to do both because we're world class and we stand behind that. That's what makes us unique, boutique, and different. That's why we create more successful coaches than any other organization, because we're always going the extra mile. And I believe in-person training combined with online training is the way to go. Now, this is all bonus. So anyone that trains with us on our diploma courses, anyone that trains with us on our MBA, get the bonus of coming along to these in-person events once a quarter, where I host and train a group of our coaches in not only the skills of in-person coaching, but the latest, greatest tools and techniques in terms of bonus content. And more important than that, having just run our retreat to Ibiza, and we'll be running another one of those, it was the most incredible experience, getting coaches in a room, getting them connected. The level of insight, reflection, and long-term connection was just wonderful. Life-changing experience was a description given by many of those in attendance to that retreat. And the reason it was life-changing, because you got in a room with people that got you on every level, that had that shared life lived experience of wanting to contribute, wanting to give back, wanting to add value to people's lives. And there's something so special about that. And yes, we can create so much of that online, but offline, in person, there's just a whole different level. Therefore, we are committing to, once a quarter, making sure there's an opportunity for those that want to come to a great city that is London, to connect in person, to level up their coaching skills, but also their level of connection. So hopefully, if you decide to come and train with us at some point, I'll see you either online or in person. All right, let's do this.